Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. So for today, I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious and meaty coconut fried rice. Let's get started. These are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to cook my rice. So in a pot, I added about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then I will be adding some white onions, and then you stir fry for a few seconds. Then go ahead and add your grated coconut. So it's just the normal hard coconut fruit, and then I grated it. So I will be adding some turmeric powder to this recipe. It's optional, or you can substitute with curry powder, whichever way you want it. Add everything together and then mix. Once you're done mixing, go ahead and add your rice, but please make sure to wash the rice. I'm using basmati, but you can choose any rice you want. Add a bit of salt to taste. Once everything is mixed, go ahead and add water to cook the rice. This depends on how you want your rice, whether soft or medium, anyhow you want it. So I'll cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, so the rice is ready. It took me 20 minutes to cook this basmati rice. So once it's done, you set it aside and then proceed to the next step. So the next step is to make my scrambled eggs, which I'll be adding to the fried rice. So I added a little bit of oil in my saucepan, and then I added 2 eggs and then scramble it. It's very simple. Top up with some salt and then some black pepper to give it flavor. Once it's ready, you put it in a bowl and set it aside. So once the egg is done, I'll go ahead and also work on the beef. So I added a little bit of oil, and then I added my beef, and I will add all the spices. Go ahead and choose any spices of your choice. I added paprika, black pepper, beef seasoning, and then diced garlic. I'll cover this and allow it to cook for a while. Okay, so the beef has been cooking for about 7 minutes and then it's ready. So I'm going to put it in my bowl and set it aside. Okay, so now we are going to combine everything together. Okay, so in the same saucepan, add about 2 tablespoons of butter. You can go ahead and use oil, but I'm using butter because I like the flavor it gives my vegetables. So I added the butter and then my vegetables, and I stir fried it for a few seconds. Add your onions and then your scallions or spring onion, whichever way you call it. Stir fry for a few minutes, and then you start to add your rice in bits. One important thing about this recipe is about the beef. If you are going to use beef, make sure to choose the side which is soft, that's the tenderloin, so that it wouldn't take time to cook. And then also make sure not to overcook it, so that your stock from the beef will all dry up, because the stock is going to give your fried rice a very delicious taste, since it has all the spices and then all the juice from the beef. Okay, so you go ahead and add your scrambled egg and then keep stirring. I will be adding about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, which will give it a very rich and nice color. So keep stirring, and then our fried rice is almost done. Is this not easy? Look at that. Looks very delicious. Okay, so the fried rice is ready. I'll set it aside and then dish myself. It's already lunchtime at my end, so I'll be enjoying this. This food was so good, and then the smell was so amazing. The beef was tender, and then the vegetables was well seasoned. Everything was on point. So I added a little bit of my chili sauce. I really enjoyed it. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and then please subscribe and click on the bell icon, so whenever I upload, you will be the first to watch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.